Today we're going to study one of the most useful grammar structures at B2 level, the causative have and get. We use these structures when someone else performs an action for us instead of doing it ourselves. This usually happens because we pay a professional, ask someone for a favor, arrange a service, or persuade another person to help us. These structures are extremely common in both spoken and written English, and mastering them will make your English sound much more natural. Let's compare two simple sentences. If I say, I cut my hair, it means I did it myself. However, if I say, I had my hair cut, it means another person, probably a hairdresser, cut it for me. We can also say, I got my hair cut. Both expressions have the same meaning, although have something done is slightly more formal, while get something done is more common in everyday conversation. The basic structures are have plus object plus past participle and get plus object plus past participle. The object receives the action, so the main verb is always in the past participle. For example, I had my car repaired, she got her laptop fixed, we're having the kitchen painted, they got their passports renewed, and he had his house cleaned before the guests arrived. The tense changes only in have or get. The past participle never changes. In the present simple we say, I have my hair cut every month, or I get my hair cut every month. In the present continuous, I'm having my computer fixed, or I'm getting my computer fixed. In the past simple, she had her house cleaned yesterday, or she got her house cleaned yesterday. We can also use more advanced tenses such as my sister has had her dress ironed, I've been having my essays corrected, or they had had the building restored before it reopened. Negative sentences are easy because we simply make have or get negative. For example, I don't have my car serviced every year, she isn't getting her phone repaired, we didn't have the windows replaced, and they haven't had the roof repaired yet. Questions follow the normal word order. Did you have your house painted? Have they had their passports renewed? Or are you getting your kitchen remodeled? There is another causative pattern that focuses on the person who performs the action. We use have plus person plus base verb. For example, I had my brother repair my bicycle, the manager had the technician install the software, and our teacher had us write an essay. Here we clearly identify who does the action. With get, the structure changes to get plus person plus to plus infinitive. For example, I got my brother to repair my bicycle, the manager got the technician to install the software, and the teacher got us to complete the project. This pattern often suggests that some persuasion or encouragement was necessary. Don't confuse these two uses. I had my computer repaired means someone repaired it, but we don't say who. I had the technician repair my computer tells us exactly who did the work. Likewise, I got my computer repaired focuses on the completed service, while I got the technician to repair my computer emphasizes convincing the technician to do it. These structures are especially common when talking about repairs, construction, and maintenance. For example, we had our house extended, they got the old building restored, the city had a bridge constructed, the owners had the abandoned property demolished, and the engineers rebuilt the damaged structure. Useful vocabulary includes construction, property, structure, frame, concrete, surroundings, resident, and plan, together with verbs such as construct, convert, restore, rebuild, demolish, extend, dig, crack, and break. Remember that these structures always require the correct past participle, so review forms such as break, broke, broken, burn, burnt, burned, burnt, burned, dig, dug, dug, do, did, done, put, put, rebuild, rebuilt, rebuilt, and restore, restored, restored. You should also recognize common expressions like burn down, pull down, put up, do up, a week from now and the weekend after. To sum up, use have something done or get something done when another person performs an action for you. Use have someone do something or get someone to do something when you want to mention the person responsible for the action. Once you master these 4 patterns, you'll be able to describe everyday situations much more accurately, and your English will sound far more fluent and natural.